Balaos kano intakbang agagawa na ning lokal kapanibalan ni Syudad San Fernando, bang apat na singkabil yan dakimbye, ring balang Fernandino at Fernandina. Minuna ng mibalita imposibleng direct employment na ring memolet king South Korea kapamilatanan ning LGU. May kipag-meeting niya kano Mayor Vilma Kaluwag kareng official at employers ka rin, bang isama sim programa.
Vision tamo, magita mong Center for Social Development. And there is no development po, tang alata mong employment. And lagi kasing makayabe yan kay poverty, ang po criminal, existence of criminality kin San Fernando. Pota kasing darano ping tao, alayang pikwanan, gawat-gawayang paralan.
At ngeni, bayo na namang programa ing mibabaka ring memolen na ng syudad, ing Jobstart Program. Panimuna ng City Public Employment and Service Office o si PESO kambi ang Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE, nasa na nini isa jala rin kayanakan para king obra, kapamilatan ng pamamya career coaching, life skills and technical trainings, at internship karing employers. Metong nakarang kumpanya amig pledge mananggapan interns in Laos Group of Companies, a mother company ning CLTV 36.
Yan kaya katamong employer sa mig pledge, mig undergola namang seminar with Dole, and I explain tamo karela na in kasantingan na nito, itang abang mag-train la ketang karelang 44 days kasi to 66 days. Manantabe ya pa mo yung Dole ketang training da for their allowances. Kaya ba't nakanita po tang big match la na itang skills sa tambing ikwane ning anak, mga pag-obra niya ang taketang company.
Ongoing ang application para king Jobstart Program. Oras makumpleto la kanurang 50 slots, magumpisa ne ing nasabing training. Kayabe naman ka rin qualifications ding tutuki. 18 to 24 years old at metong lang at least high school graduate at lamong 0 to 12 months of work experience, alalang obra king kasalungsungan at active lang manintun job opportunity. Para ka ring requirements, magdala mong transcript of records o TOR, Form 137 o 138 o diploma o certificate of graduation, certificate ametong kayong out of school youth para ka ring aplikanting edad 18 to 22 at kopya na ning birth certificate. Maragulya ka nung kasapan ini para ka ring kayanakan, lakwas na king karelang school to work transition.
Struggle pin kasi tsuketan libutad na mag-training la. Kay ba't nanita, tapotan lulubno king obra. Karinta mo medyo mag-struggle kitang face ito. Pero nung amin tingtala, completely motivate tala to perform their task, makanyan. Siyempre yung Dole, dagdaga na katamo for sure ka rin makarening funding.
Para king karagdagang detalye, malyaring bisita king tanggapan ng si PESO, aakit king City College Old Building. Pasalamat naman ng lokal kapaniblan king Dole uling king mabilog as Central Luzon, ing Syudad San Fernando mo ing Medinan Pondo para king Jobstart Program. Ako, ing kaya kayong talasuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.